In previous video, we just talked about the rank. You saw how the rank keyword skips the number. But now in this video, you will see how the dense rank take over the rank's flaws and see what the dense rank is the most asked interview question of the interviews, as there are questions which is in the Google and the Facebook that find the second highest salary and find the third highest salary, which is only get solved by the dense rank. So in this video, by the end of this video, you will see a cup of cake to solve the dense rank problems. Let us proceed to what is the dense rank and how we will code up to the dense rank. It will be very easy for you. Just stick with me for some minutes. Now, clear the basics. As if you have not seen the rank video and you have not seen the trap of the rank, feel free to reach out at the I button. There is a rank video of mine, which is this present on the YouTube. You can see it as a rank video of Shan Lab. You will get that video. I have greatly explained the trap of the interviews, and by coding up the SQL queries, I have shown you the trap, the real trap, and which is overcome by the dense rank. So what is the SQL function, window function we are having? So what the window function does? The window function does, it provides us the value for each row. The window function provides a value for each row by seeing their groups of the rows. Like if it is providing the some value for this row, it will see all other rows. Okay, so what is this value? This value is a rank, and the rank is a window function. The rank is a window function, and there is a dense rank which is just a brother of rank which never skips the value. So this is a dense rank. This rank which is well known for skip the value as we have seen in the previous video, but this never skips the value. Never skip the value. Let us see it here. As there is a employee table. There is an employee table. Let me show it to you. There is an employee table which have the salaries like 50, 50, 500, 500, then 400, then 300, then 300. So let us find out their rank. The rank is find out like this. So come letting us run the query. So this is the query. Okay, so no need to do these type of things now. Just we need to hit the query for this. So this is the rank. As 500 got the rank 1, then 500 got the rank 2. Now let me take it to this and take you a real example of it. So this is the thing, and now it is the rank 1. For the natural case, the rank 3, 4, and the 5. What the rank keyword does, this rank keyword, as the rank keyword is this. So this rank keyword, what it does, let me write it the command here, so to get the more clear understanding of this topic. So this is the command. Let me paste it here. So what this rank keyword do? Rank keyword just skips the 2. As you can see, it does not contain the 2. It directly taken the 3 from here. Okay, directly taken the 3 from here, and it have taken the 4 from here, but it skips the 5. And if there will be a second element, which is like there is 200 value, it will take the 6th element. It will skip the 5 as it skipped the 2, because it assigned the same rank for the same values. Same rank for the same values. You can see there is the same rank for the same values. Then what different the dense rank do? Let us find out. Let us have a dense rank here. So there will be a change in keyword, which is a dense rank, and we will see the effect. So let us make it run, and we will see the effect. Now the effect is very clear. This is the effect. So this is the effect, and let me rearrange it. Okay, so this is the thing, that as the natural flow is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It never skips it. It just drop the 2 here, and it never skips the 3. It just drop the 3 here and drop the 3 here, because there are two same values. If there are two same values, it will also provide the same rank, but it never skip the rank in between, as the rank function is skipping the values, as it do not contain the number 2 and it do not contain the number 5. But this never skips the value. This provide the 2, this provide the 3, and if there will be another value by 200, this will provide the 4. But it never skips the rank. And why there was a mistake in having the second highest salary in it? Because if we are finding the third highest salary, let us say it is providing the value of rank 3, which is the 400, but the real third highest salary is the 300. So that was a mistake here. But at this time, when there we are using the dense rank, we can filter out by the having the rank equal to 3. We will get the exact third highest salary. So this is how we are getting this thing. And now we cannot apply the where clause directly to this query. So we need to take this query inside a bracket. So make this query inside a bracket, and then use a select. We need to find the name and the salary of it. So from this table, so from this of the table, which is this table. This table is a dense rank table which we have received, and at this table we need to apply the where clause. So we need to apply the where clause where. So take it as T, and take it as T where the rank R and K equal to 3. Okay, so this is the third highest salary. So this is the third highest salary. The third highest salary is, the first is 500. This is the first highest. This is the second highest, and this is the third highest salary. So the third highest salary is of two people, which is Dana and Eve. So the Dana and Eve have the third highest salary. What about the second highest salary? So second highest salary we use 2, and by the dense rank formula. So we have this, and so the shall have the second highest salary. So what about the dense? What about the dense rank? Dense rank. So it is a dense rank. We use the dense rank here. Then dense rank need a thing which is like a over. So dense rank on which we need to apply the dense rank. The dense rank is always applied on a over. As I told you earlier in my rank video, just feel free to reach out there. The over needs something. What the over needs something? Over needs two things, as in which column it need to apply. So we have given a salary to them. So as we have given the over, the salary we have given, and then it need a order by, or the partition by, partition, Tion, partition by, order by or partition by. So these two things we need to give here. So to make the rank in a sorted order. So these are the things we need to apply. These are the things we need to apply as the dense order over the rank, and as we have to the aliasing as a rank. So these are the things, and this is the very common interview problem which is asked in many of the interviews. The where the most of the people got stuck, that the rank always skips the value. It never showed the 2, it never showed the 5, but the dense rank never skips the value. It shows the rank 2, it shows the rank 3rd. How it is working for to find the second highest salary or the third highest salary? Let us see one more time. As we have the 500, as we have the 400, as we have the 300. So what was the rank doing? Rank just is skipping the values. It is provide the 1 rank, it is provide the 3 rank, it is provide the 5 rank. So if we are using the rank, it is impossible to find the third highest salary, because it shows the 3 to this, because there were 500 and 500. There were 2 people of 500. So there is a rank 1. So on the rank, there is nothing about the rank 2 and nothing about the rank 6 and all. The third highest salary is this. Okay. But in the case of rank, it skips the value and showed the rank 3 to this value. But at the dense case, the first highest salary is of this and this, and the second highest salary is of this. If there will be another, the second highest salary of the this, then 3. So this never skips any of the rank. That's why it tell you about the rank 2. It tell you about the rank 3. So it tell about the third highest salary. It tell about the second highest salary. It also tell about the first highest salary. So any question about the N highest salary is got cleared with this video if you are watching the rank and the dense rank video sequentially. So now, if this video is being helpful to you, feel free to subscribe the channel and wait for the another video interesting at SQL. Thank you.